My dear KCET 2026 aspirants, so we write this exam to get into the top colleges of Karnataka like RVCE, BMS, MSRIT and so on. But do you know exactly what are the cutoff for these colleges and how much placement packages do they offer? So in this video, I'm going to discuss in detail about the top 10 colleges and the placements they offer. So let's get started with our first college, very favorite, that is our RVCE college. Okay, so here I have shown you all the branches, but if you see the computer science, so cutoff is 499. This is according to round 3 of 2025 counseling process. AIML 742, computer science and engineering 990, and computer science and engineering with data science 944. Okay, so now if you see, the highest package here was 56.25 LPA and the average package is 15 LPA. Coming to the second college, we have Ramaiah Institute of Technology. So here if I just talk about computer science branch, okay, yeah, for just computer science branch, it is 2791. The cutoff is 2791, and you have here cyber security with 4208, and the highest package is 48 LPA and the average package is 7.66 LPA. Moving to the third college is Sri Jayachama Rajendra College of Engineering. So here the computer science cutoff is 2983 and the placement highest package is 60 LPA and the average package is 9 LPA. Okay, and this is the college. Moving to the, now moving forward to the next colleges. Now let me tell you, if you want to get into these top colleges, you need a proper focus strategy for the preparation. And to help you with this, we have launched our KCET 90 days online crash course. Now this crash course, let us see what it offers to you. Okay, so here you will get PU1 and PU2 complete syllabus coverage, chapter-wise PYQs, chapter-wise DPPs. You will also get KCET test series, which is our Abhyas test series, absolutely for free. Then you have PYQ questions in real-time test format, live doubt solving classes, access to expert KCET faculties, downloadable lectures, notes, and accessible to our WhatsApp community. And all these you can access at just 5,999 rupees. Okay, and if you take this crash course, this is like all-in-one preparation for your guaranteed success. Everything that is required to crack an exam is given here, and if you just follow it, you can crack this exam and you can also be securing your seat in these top colleges. Now let's see our next colleges. BMS College of Engineering. Here the cutoff for computer science is 2995 and the highest package is 33.1 LPA and the average package is 10.03 LPA. Next, moving to the fifth college, UVCE, okay, here University of Vishweswaraya College of Engineering. Here computer science cutoff is 4914 and the highest package is 26.5 LPA, and we unfortunately have no official data on the average package. Moving towards the next one, that is JSS Science and Technological University. Here the cutoff is 5248. The highest package is 60 LPA, average package is 9 LPA. So you can see how you can, through this KCET examination, get into the top colleges of the country. Moving forward, we have Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, where the cutoff is 5996. The highest package is 56 LPA and the average package is 5 LPA. Okay, and yes, the fees also you can see for all of them. So eighth college we have is KLE Technological University, and here we have the CSE cutoff for 7498. The highest package here is 43 LPA and the average package is 7 LPA. And you have fees of 42,000 to 1,07,495. And the next college we have is Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. This is located in Tumkur, and here the cutoff is 8266. You have 34 LPA highest package and 9 LPA is the average package. And yes, we have hostel facilities, and the fees for this one is 1,07,495. Moving to the last college in our list is Bangalore Institute of Technology. Here you can see the cutoff is 8,598. The highest package is 58 LPA and the average package is 10 LPA. Okay. So students, the point of giving all these colleges a cutoff so that you know that if you crack this KCET, if you take this exam very seriously and crack this exam, then you can be very assured and you can be in the top colleges of Karnataka. So you don't have to worry at all. So for that, we have launched our KCET 90 days online crash course. So you have the link of the product in the description section. Please go there, check it out and take an informed decision. This can be a very good investment for your future for these top colleges, because here we are providing everything that is required to crack an exam. You will get one-shot revision video, so your concepts are done. You will get PYQs and DPPs, so your question practice is done. Apart from that, we will also be giving you the PYQs in the form of test and DPPs in the form of test, so that you can test your own preparation level. And then you will also have doubt classes, doubt solving classes, test series is available. Apart from that, you will be having access to our WhatsApp community where you can share your doubts, you can talk with your peers, you can just discuss and have a healthy growth, all of us. So that's what in this video, and I hope that these top colleges cutoff is really high and you just cannot leave this examination. You have to be focused and you need to be smart to prepare for this exam, and that is where we are going to help you. So please do not forget to subscribe the channel, and thank you so much. And if you have any further doubts, put down in the comment section.